So, as promised, woke up this morning, got a phone call from the Rad Power Bikes.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So, as promised, got a phone call this morning at 10 o'clock from the Rad Power Bikes folks, and they had replaced the crank already. So, love hearing that, love seeing folks come through on their promises, and they said yesterday that it would be ready sometime today. So, headed back over to Seattle to go pick up the bike, and we'll see how things look. All right, we made it to Rad Power Bikes. Time to go pick up the bike. All right, so we just picked up the RadRover. Everything looks great. They replaced the crank, and I'm excited to get the pedal back on it and get it back on the trail. So can't say enough again about the folks here. They're really great. They're just really kind and fun to work with. And they follow through with everything they say, so can't beat that. All right, we got the new crank on. There it is. And the bike has been tuned up completely. So now we are going to put the pedal back on.
Oh, this you crazy mother.